Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're going to discuss an exciting and relevant topic. Look and feel younger with these 6 simple tips. Whether if you're aiming to maintain a youthful appearance or simply want to boost your overall vitality, these tips are for you. So, come on and join us as we start with a brief overview of aging and the difference between chronological age and biological age, and then dive profoundly into the 6 simple tips for looking and feeling younger. What is aging? Aging is a natural and inevitable part of life. It encompasses the physical, mental, and emotional changes that occur as we grow older. Aging is often associated with the gradual decline of physiological functions, making it important to focus on healthy aging strategies. Chronological age versus biological age. Chronological age. This is the actual time you've been alive since birth. It is the age that we commonly refer to and measure in years. Biological age. This is a measure of how well your body is functioning in comparison to your chronological age. It encompasses aspects such as cellular health, organ function, metabolism, and overall vitality. Do you want to know how to calculate your biological age? Stay tuned. Your biological age can be influenced by lifestyle choices, diet, exercise, and other factors. It's possible for your biological age to be younger or older than your chronological age depending on how well you take care of your body. Biological age is a measure of how well your body is functioning compared to your actual age or chronological age. It provides an estimate of your overall health and vitality by considering various factors related to aging. While there is no universally accepted method for calculating biological age, there are several approaches and tools that use different markers and parameters to estimate it. Here are some common methods. Biomarkers of aging. Biological age can be calculated using various biomarkers that provide insight into different aspects of your health. These include blood markers, levels of glucose, cholesterol, triglycerides, inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, and hormone levels like insulin and cortisol blood levels. Body composition. Measurements such as body fat percentage, muscle mass, and bone density. Physical performance. Strength tests, flexibility, balance, and endurance tests. Blood pressure. Normal blood pressure is associated with good health and youthfulness. Genetic and epigenetic analysis. Some tests analyze your DNA and epigenetic patterns, which means changes in gene expression, to estimate your biological age. This approach is based on how genes and environmental factors influence aging. Health questionnaires. Health and lifestyle questionnaires can provide information on your habits, diet, exercise, sleep patterns, and stress levels. This data can be used to estimate your biological age. Health and lifestyle apps. Some mobile apps and online tools use a combination of health data and questionnaires to estimate your biological age. They may use algorithms to analyze your data and compare it to population averages to provide an estimate. Specialized tests. Certain medical tests, such as telomere length analysis, can provide insight into your biological age. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, and their length is associated with aging. Research-based age calculators. Several organizations and research institutions have developed calculators that use different sets of data to estimate biological age. These calculators may incorporate a combination of health markers, lifestyle factors, and other data points. It's important to note that biological age calculations are estimates and can vary depending on the method used and the specific markers considered. Additionally, these methods may not always accurately reflect individual variations in health and aging. 6 main tips for looking and feeling younger. Here are 6 detailed tips that can help you look and feel younger. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for keeping your skin and body well hydrated. Proper hydration supports cellular function, digestion, and overall well-being. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and consider increasing your intake during hot weather or physical activity. Tip number 2, nourish your body with a healthy food plan. Eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods supports your health and energy levels. Focus on low-sugar fruits, vegetables, high-quality lean proteins, and healthy fats. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts can help combat oxidative stress and support skin health. Tip number 3, prioritize quality sleep. Getting 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night is crucial for cellular repair and regeneration. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a calming bedtime routine to improve sleep quality. Tip number 4. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is essential for maintaining muscle tone, bone density, and cardiovascular health. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular, strength training, and flexibility exercises to keep your body strong and resilient. Tip number 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your health and accelerate aging. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to keep stress levels in check. Tip number 6. Protect your skin from the sun. UV rays are a major contributor to premature aging and skin damage. Use sunscreen when necessary, wear protective clothing, and avoid excessive sun exposure to protect your skin from harmful rays. Factors on premature aging. Premature aging can occur due to various factors including excessive sun exposure. UV rays cause skin damage and premature aging. Smoking. Smoking damages collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Poor diet. A diet high in processed foods and low in nutrients can negatively impact skin and overall health. Lack of exercise. Inactivity can lead to muscle loss, reduced energy levels, and decreased circulation. Stress. Chronic stress accelerates aging and may contribute to health issues. How to avoid premature aging. To avoid premature aging, consider the following. Use sunscreen. Protect your skin from UV rays by applying broad-spectrum sunscreen when exposed to sun directly and for prolonged periods of time. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Choose whole foods over processed ones, and focus on antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods. Stay active. Regular physical activity promotes circulation and keeps your body in good shape. Manage stress properly. Engage in stress-relieving activities such as meditation, yoga, or hobbies you enjoy. Avoid smoking and alcohol consumption. Both smoking and alcohol can contribute to premature aging. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, we have explored the topic of how to look and feel younger with 6 simple yet powerful tips. Aging is a natural part of life, but there are ways to maintain a youthful appearance and boost overall vitality. We began by discussing the difference between chronological age and biological age. While your chronological age is the number of years you've been alive, your biological age measures how well your body is functioning in relation to your age. This can be influenced by lifestyle choices and habits. Here are the 6 main tips we covered. Stay hydrated. Keeping your body hydrated by drinking enough water each day supports cellular health and overall well-being. Hydration helps maintain skin elasticity and can give you a youthful glow. Nourish your body with a healthy food plan. A diet rich in low-sugar fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients to support skin health and energy levels. Antioxidant-rich foods combat oxidative stress and protect your cells. Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support cellular repair and regeneration. A good night's sleep contributes to youthful skin and improved cognitive function. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is key to maintaining muscle tone, bone density, and cardiovascular health. A mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises keeps your body strong and resilient. Manage stress. Chronic stress can accelerate aging and take a toll on your health. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to manage stress effectively. Protect your skin from the sun. UV rays are a major factor in premature aging and skin damage. Use sunscreen when needed, wear protective clothing, and avoid excessive sun exposure to maintain youthful skin. We also addressed factors contributing to premature aging, such as excessive sun exposure, smoking, poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic stress. These factors can lead to accelerated aging, so it's important to adopt healthy habits to avoid them. By incorporating these 6 tips into your daily routine, you can support a more youthful appearance and enhance your overall vitality. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes for your health and well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.